This is how you can enhance voice in Capcut Mobile completely for free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
One, click and select your audio piece or the voice you would like to enhance. Basically, you want to scroll to the right. So you see the option Enhance Voice, the audio translator, and delete. This is a pro feature, but if you click here, it's going to apply the effect and the voice has been enhanced. You even have noise cleanup and drag to the right.
I'm gonna show you how.
And basically this will clean up the noise even more. You can drag it to the left.
I'm gonna show you.
It's not going to clean up your voice. In case we're going to drag it all the way to the right for the best settings. Once you're happy and you are satisfied, you can click the check mark icon.
I'm gonna show you how you can enhance.
This is what we have.
Show you how you can enhance voice in Capcut Mobile completely for free.
Or now you have known how to successfully enhance the voice in Capcut Mobile completely for free.